Hello, this is Mesos Orem, and welcome to Understanding S.F.M.L. Today, we'll be learning about CircleShape, RectangleShape, and ConvexShape. When initializing a circle shape, we may set its radius, or we may set it later on using setRadius. Here, setOrigin will set where our shape will transform around. Meanwhile, getGeometricCenter will return to us the center point of our shape. setPosition will set our shape's transformation based on our origin. So if we open the debug menu, we can see that our shape is at the center of the screen. The shape function setFillColor will set the color of the internal bounds of our shape. So if we open the debug menu, we'll see that our shape is green. The shape function setOutlineThickness will set how wide an outline will be around our shape. So if we open the debug menu, we'll see that there's now an outline around our shape. Using setOutlineColor, we may also color said outline. Opening the debug menu, we can see that our outline is now blue. The CircleShape function setPointCount will set what end regular polygon will be displayed. If we open the debug menu, we'll see that our circle has become a triangle now. Or, for example, if we set it to 6, we'll have a hexagon. Know that by default the point count is 30. The shape function getPointCount will return the amount of points in a shape, here being 3. Meanwhile, getPoint will return the position of a point in local coordinates depending on the index. If we open the debug menu, we can see that we get the local position of each point in the triangle. We may also move or rotate our shape however we'd like. Here we're getting our shape to follow our mouse. With RectangleShape, we may set the width and height of our rectangle at start, or we may set it later on using setSize. Everything else about RectangleShape is the same as CircleShape, except that it has a fixed amount of points. If we open the debug menu, we can see that our rectangle shape is being displayed now. For ConvexShape, the number of points must be set before setting any points. We may also set them later on using setPointCount, but still before setting any points. Know that any points not being set will be at 0, 0 in local coordinates. If we open the debug menu, we can see that our convex shape is being drawn to the screen. Finally, know that if the shape is not really convex, while the filled portion of the shape will work correctly, the outline may not. Thank you for joining me today. If you did, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.